This is real. You're in a dream.
Collecting data to Morse. Cooper, what if she never came back for it?
What if time isn't something we live through, but something we can manipulate and fight against? My name is Nolan, and today I'm going to go in depth on Christopher Nolan and the architecture of time. Christopher Nolan doesn't just tell stories about time, he builds them out of it. From dreams within dreams to stretching hours into decades, the bullets flying backwards, Nolan's obsession with time defines his stories. What is he really saying about us through all these paradoxes? In this video, I'll show how Nolan uses the sci-fi theme of time as a narrative engine and mirror across Inception, Interstellar, and Tenet. Each film doesn't just depict time, it bends it to reveal our guilt, ambition, and urge for control. Inception treats time like a puzzle inside the mind. The climax, a van falling in real time while hours pass in dream layers, shows Nolan's fascination with perception. The slower we move, the deeper we go. Through nonlinear editing and Zimmer's pulsing score, time stretches with every emotion Cobb can't let go of. It's more than a heist. It's an exploration of guilt. Each dream layer mirrors how fleeting regret can last forever. Nolan uses time here as a metaphor for consciousness, a place where emotion and logic collide. It's our first glimpse of how he turns a scientific idea into an emotional experience. In Interstellar, time becomes a force of nature. On Miller's planet, 1 hour equals 7 years on Earth. The idea is great fiction, but Nolan makes it deeply personal. When Cooper returns to the ship, decades have passed. His children are grown, his life gone. The ticking clock on the soundtrack literally counts the passing of years. Each tick is a reminder that every second costs someone's future. Nolan turns Einstein's relativity into an emotional equation, love and loss measured against time.
Collecting data to Morse. Cooper, what if she never came back for it?
The Tesseract sequence makes time a dimension we can walk through, touch, and even change with love. And yet, it reminds us how small we are, clutching fleeting moments in an infinite void. Nolan's films feel intense because they aren't just imaginative, they're scientifically grounded. Interstellar's most famous moment, the 1 hour equals 7 years time dilation, isn't Hollywood exaggeration, it's physics. As one study by Brian Patterson explains, the clock runs more slowly if it is close to a large gravitating object, highlighted in the movie Interstellar, where Miller's planet orbits the black hole Gargantua and experiences extreme gravitational time dilation. This directly confirms that the film's depiction matches Einstein's general relativity. Another physics paper by Igor Pekovsky goes even further, stating gravitational time dilation causes clocks to run slower near a massive object. That's exactly why Cooper and his team leave decades in just a few hours. They are literally falling deeper into a gravitational well. But Nolan's scientific accuracy doesn't stop at black holes. A 2024 physics article by Ana Alonso Serrano notes that there isn't just one kind of time. There are cosmological, psychological, thermodynamic, kinematical, and more. Tenet takes this idea and runs with it, exploring the reversal of thermodynamic or entropy-driven time. The inversion device may be fictional, but the categories of time it manipulates are real concepts debated in modern physics. Nolan doesn't predict the future, he extends the present science as far as it can go. And then there's Tenet, Nolan's most complex experiment with time yet. Here, time doesn't flow, it folds. Time inversion allows characters to move backward through events while others move forward, creating battles that unfold in both directions simultaneously. The famous airport fight scene captures this perfectly. The protagonist fights an enemy who's actually himself moving backwards through time. This doesn't get revealed until later in the film. Nolan makes us share his disorientation using reverse sound and abrupt editing to show causality breaking down. It feels like Inception's mind and Interstellar's universe come together as pure mechanics. Time becomes both a weapon and a paradox. The deeper message: we can't master time. Even moving backward, we're still caught in its current.
We're the people saving the world from what might have been. Well, we'll never know what could have happened.
Across these films, Nolan's stories evolve from an internal to cosmic to paradoxical, but his core theme remains. Time doesn't just pass, it defines who we are. In Inception, Cobb can't escape his past. In Interstellar, Cooper sacrifices his present for the sake of the future. And in Tenet, the protagonist learns he has already lived his own story. Each man is trapped by time, and Nolan suggests maybe we all are. Nolan doesn't just make science fiction, he makes time fiction. His films show that time is never neutral, it shapes memory, emotion, and morality. In dreams, black holes, or reverse realities, time always wins. But in losing to it, we discover what makes us human. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please consider subscribing and let me know in the comments which Nolan film you think handles time the best.